This is the digital air fryer. Unboxing. And so you get information, a little booklet. User manual. Cookbook with several recipes. Cooking tongue. Toaster rack. Silicone mat. And pizza pan. It has a transparent safety device, so you open the tray. Here we go through the settings. And so you can set the minutes. Here's the menu. So it already has preset for certain food groups. Here's the temperature. Goes up to 400. Here's the recommended temperature for certain foods. Here I'm going to demonstrate the tray, and there's the max you should fill to. So you just push the little lever, lift up. I'm going to move this aside real quick, show the inside. It's where all the oils and cheese or whatever will fall to the bottom. Here's where you place all your foods. So you just press down to close it. Make sure to align it right. And then just press the lever back. Here we're going to do the air fryer test. So I'm just going to put an item in the air fryer and then one in the oven. And so you will be able to see the result. One thing I like about the air fryer is that you can, just pull out the tray and see it right away. You don't have to bend or anything to look in the oven, depending on where you place the air fryer. And there's the oven, air fryer, you can tell the difference. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.